Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Skillshare Pro detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Skillshare Pro, start by visiting the Skillshare website. On the homepage, navigate to the top right corner and click on the sign up or log in button. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you do not have an account, fill in the required information to create one. Once logged in, look for the Classes tab on the main menu. Click on it to explore the range of classes available on Skillshare. To connect with Skillshare Pro, scroll to the bottom of the page and locate the Skillshare Pro link. Click on this link to view the details about the Pro membership. Read through the benefits and offerings included with Skillshare Pro membership. After reviewing the details, click on the Join Skillshare Pro button. Choose your payment method from the options provided. Enter your payment information and confirm your subscription. Once the payment process is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Skillshare homepage to explore Pro classes. To access these classes, go to the Classes tab again. Filter the classes by selecting only Pro from the options. Browse through the Pro offerings and select a class that interests you. Click on the class title to view more details. When ready, click on the Enroll button to start the class. Enjoy learning and expanding your skills with Skillshare Pro. Utilize the community forums to connect with other members and share insights. For further assistance, visit the Skillshare Help Center available in the footer. Stay engaged and keep exploring new classes as they are frequently updated. Make the most of your Skillshare Pro experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.